Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, I'll walk you through creating your very first product from start to finish. Let's dive in. From your dashboard, head to the product catalog and click Start Creating. Now pick the product you'd like to create and click Customize. On this product page, you'll see the product details, specifications, and options. When you're ready, click Customize and Add to Store. This opens the design editor, and here you have a few choices. If you already have your own design, just drop it in to upload it on the jewelry shape. You can also pick from a wide range of ready-made designs in our design vault, or create something brand new from scratch using our built-in AI design creator. Once you're happy with your design, click Apply and Continue. Next is the message card. This is one of the most powerful ways to make your jewelry feel even more personal, and it's what turns a gift into something unforgettable and a true unboxing experience. If you have your own card design, you can upload it here, or you can build your own from scratch. Start by picking a background. Then head to the Text tab and click on Create a Heartfelt Message. Just answer a few quick questions, and our AI writes a beautiful heading and subheading for you. Once you're happy with your card, click Apply and Continue. Now we're at the mockup step. Here you can choose the plating color for your mockups, such as gold, rose gold, and silver. But here's our favorite part. You can create your own unique mockups and stand out from the competition and every other seller. Just click Make Unique with AI, describe what you want, generate, and when you love the result, click Use this mockup. Think of this tool as the best product photographer and editor in the world, right at your fingertips. When you're happy with your mockups, click Continue. Next is the listing setup. Here you'll add your title, your description, and your tags, everything buyers need to find and fall in love with your product. Right below, you can set up buyer personalization. This lets your customers add their own details at checkout. You can add a text box for something like an initial, a name, or a back engraving, a list of options for them to choose from, like different font styles, or a file upload so they can send you their own photo if the design requires photo personalization. Set up whichever fields your product needs. Then choose the store collection where your product will be imported and click Continue. Finally, the pricing step. You'll see exactly what Ownprint charges you, and you simply set the price you want to sell your product at. When everything looks good, click Publish to Store. And that's it. Congratulations! Your very first product is now imported to your store. If you're selling on Etsy, your product will usually appear in the draft section of your shop. Just head over to Etsy, review everything one last time, then publish it to make it live, and you're done.